Welcome. So let me show you how I use Grok Trade when I want to add Litecoin to the account and withdraw USDT. I've been using the platform for quite a while now, so this is not really about figuring out how it works for the first time. I'm just going to walk you through the process I follow and show you what happens. The main thing I like about this setup is that once everything is active, I'm not sitting here managing the trading process myself. Grok handles the automated side. I don't have to keep changing settings, manually control positions, or watch the market every few minutes to decide what the bot should do next. So this is the main dashboard. You've got the current session, trading activity, performance data, and the account information right here. Scroll down a little, this tab shows the live session. We can see when it started, how long it's been running, number of trades, and win rate of each trade. All of this updates automatically while it's running, so there's nothing I need to enter manually. So Wallet tab, here we have account history. You can see the previous deposits, withdrawals, session activity, and balance changes. So this is where I normally come when I want to check what happened with the account. Okay, one important thing, if you've just created an account, the bot isn't running yet. The account itself is ready, but the automated trading still needs to be activated. So let me show you how that part works. I'm already using active account, but I'll walk through the same activation flow so you can see exactly where the deposit comes in. So we move to this tab, and here we choose the plan first. Get started, choose Litecoin as the asset for activation. Then it gives me the address, so I'll copy it and send transaction. Once that transaction is confirmed on the network, the platform recognizes deposit, updates the account, and selected trading plan becomes active. After that, the AI bot can start running. And this is where I don't really have much else to manage. I'm not sitting here selecting individual trades, I'm not changing trading parameters throughout the day, and I'm not watching charts and manually telling the AI when to enter or exit. Grok handles the trading logic, while the platform keeps the sessions running and records the activity. That's what makes the workflow convenient for me. I can check the dashboard whenever I want, but I don't need to stay inside the app just to keep the bot operating. So if I come back later, let's say I open the dashboard again after some time, I can see the latest session information and what the system has been doing. Trades are recorded here, session statistics are updated, and I can review the activity without having to manage each position myself. And that's basically how I use the automated side of the platform. So now let me show the other part, withdrawing. We open withdrawal section. Okay, this shows what's currently available. So here I select USDT, choose the network I want to use, and enter my destination address. Okay, so at this point, I don't need to change anything on the trading side. The withdrawal is handled separately, so I just wait for the network confirmation and the account update. And that's the whole process. So if you're looking at this from a usability perspective, that's probably the biggest advantage for me. Anyway, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you want to check it yourself, I'll leave the link in description and comment. Just make sure you're using the correct website. There are plenty of fake crypto sites and copycat domains out there, so always check the address carefully.